My friend, I've been pondering a question. The bank takes my money, holds it safe for me, provides free services, and funds initiatives and massive buildings. Where does it get all these billions from? Brilliant question. The idea is simple. A bank isn't a locked vault, but a merchant that buys and sells valuable commodities in the world. Money itself buys and sells. What does that mean? Imagine it like a scale. On one side, the bank needs deposits from people like you and gives them interest or simply security. On the other side, it needs this money and lends it out for purposes such as buying cars and houses, but at much higher interest rates. So the profit is the difference between the two interest rates. Exactly. That's what's called the net interest margin, but the game doesn't end there. Will you hear from the other players? Are you planning on a withdrawal or a card? It's not just that. There's currency conversion analysis, corporate management, and investment funds. The bank acts as an intermediary in every financial transaction, taking a small cut from every move. But with the morning operations staff, it becomes a massive undertaking. But aren't they taking risks? What if borrowers don't repay? That's where insurance and guarantees come in. Make sure the bank invests only in a few financial sectors, like government. The bank doesn't leave a single penny unused. Every real must be used to generate another real. So, in short, the bank profits from interest, influence, and clever manipulation. Exactly. The bank, in short, is the engine that pumps energy into the economy. And they get paid for every beat. But don't forget to subscribe and write what kind of content you'd like to see on the channel.